Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. We have here my beautiful Panigale V4. Now guys, I haven't vlogged for a little minute, right? For quite a while. And it's because I've been away. I've just come back to London yesterday. And it was a well-deserved break. I needed it. Sometimes you need to turn the noise off. So I needed a break, so I'm back. Now, let's talk about vlogs. First of all, I know you guys want to see the bike. Let's show you guys the bike. I mean, that's a masterpiece. I'm lost for words. This bike is stunning. Let's get this glove on. Walk around anyway. Let's show you guys. Gorgeous thing. Look at the reflection of it. I mean, damn. Right. Let's get into what we're doing today. Gloves, you gonna work? Yeah, come on. Right. Bag on, gear up, let's go. I was so careful lifting this over my beautiful new helmet, which I'm sure you guys already know if you don't know. Can you see the reflection? I'm in a rush, so I'm not gonna war it with you. Oh, she sounds so good. Gosh. Oh dear. Wait till she gets an exhaust, then she can really sing. Anyway guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a good Christmas break. It is indeed near Christmas. Oh, I love the sound. Hope everyone's having a good Christmas break. We are back on the V4S. Today's a busy day. We need new tyres. Well, you would have seen it already technically because, well, my girlfriend decided to drop mid-vid, so I had to start again. Anyway, new tyres. Hope everyone's having a good Christmas break. I needed that for me mentally. I just needed some space. So it's this Christmas, I did want to try the whole Vlogmas thing, which is, if you don't know what Vlogmas is, it means you vlog every day until Christmas, I believe. So I did want to try that, but guys, I haven't been able to do it because I just needed to sort many things out. Sorry, I'm shaking, I can't even sort other things out. Two, you can't vlog every day in the UK when you're riding a bike, especially a bike like this. It's not possible. The weather changes, there's too much changes in the weather. You can't physically ride in some of the conditions that you're faced with. So even though the other days I've wanted to ride, I haven't physically been able to do it because it's either heavy rain, which I don't ride in, especially on these tyres, or we've had snow. And in the UK you do get a lot of rain and it can be random. So I mean, you can get 4 seasons in a day, which is crazy. So it's not worth the risk, so I'm not risking that. So honestly, vlogging all year round on a bike, you can't do it. So it's been annoying me a little bit. It's been a bit demotivating because I mean, me wanting to stay consistent first as much as, I haven't been able to actually get the content because, well, obviously you can't vlog all year round in the weather, and I'm really not going to risk it. I mean, I was even going to have a bike meet, and when I saw the weather, I thought, you know, I just didn't even bother like putting up another story about it. I just left it because it's just, I'm not willing to put everyone else's life at risk just for a bike meet, so I didn't bother. And it's better that way anyway. So yeah, I don't want to put anyone at risk. I don't want to put myself at risk. And I mean, especially with the roads, even though it looked dry, I knew it was icy, and I thought, you know what, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not making anyone come out for a bike meet and they're going to risk crashing or losing control. So I will do one, but yeah, the conditions have to be right. Let's get a look at this road. I mean, look at the not ice, look how slippery this is. I have to take these carefully. Kicking my leg out like a kid in the candy store. So So yeah, sorry guys, just focusing on the road there. It was very, very slippery, and yeah, didn't want to risk it. He's a cool guy, he knew. Moved up the way. I love when drivers do that. It's like, I think to myself, either you're a very good driver or you must ride as well, so you know what it's like for bikers. So yeah, one of the two. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, shaking to bits here. Wing Greenwich, you don't recognise where we are. Canary Wharf is over there. You can pretty much, right, our hair's long. Distracted. We're in Greenwich, right? I'm going to change the tyre on this bike. It needs a tyre change. I'm doing a little bit of maintenance on this bike, so that's what we're doing. Now, guys, bike mods, right? Obviously, even, I'm trying to keep the channel pretty interesting, right? But sometimes it's just such a struggle because on a bike, there's some things you physically can't do if the conditions are against you. There's just nothing you can do. So, sorry guys. And I was going to start the bike build, like a proper extensive build on this bike, but I don't want to start that build because I know that if I start the build, the bike is gonna be inside a lot of the time. I actually won't even get to take it out because the conditions aren't right. So until it starts drying up properly, I can't actually build the bike I want to. And plus, if I know if I do the build, I'm gonna want to take it to like every single meet, get the bike out there, show people what I've actually managed to do to it, you know. And obviously, yeah, just get the bike out there and just have some fun, get some bike meets, socialize, yeah, connect with people. And also, like, I want the bike to be seen. Like, I'm going to personalize it my way, so it's like, it will be a one-off to me anyway. Yeah, these are mad.
A few moments later.
Wow, look at all these tires. Jeez. Massive, jeez. I mean, let me just... Huge. Right. And then in here. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that thing. And my bag. And you've got a nice view. Tyre change, MLT, that's it, food. So we've got some paprika, garlic, salt fries, BBQ, we have got a pista. Yeah, let's eat. I watch it for you guys, yeah?
3 days later.
Brothers, have a great Christmas, fam. Take it easy. Guys, thank you so much. So there we have it. Fresh tread. Look at that. Wow. Completely fresh. For my baby. I've got to take it easy on these because that, yeah, that's not going to grip until that's bedded in a bit. And all that shiny stuff is off. So, 2 tyres is the space to go to get it done. Highly recommend them. I got my big plate there. That's on for, well, obviously legal reasons, but not for long.